In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Progressive Insurance account. Whether you're checking your policy details or need to update your information, accessing your Progressive Insurance account online is an easy and straightforward process that we'll walk through together. To get started, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you find most convenient. Once ready, in the address bar, type in progressive.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Progressive Insurance homepage, where you can find various tools and resources that Progressive offers its policyholders. Next, once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here you should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to the login page, where you'll start the process of accessing your account. It's worth noting that having your user ID and password handy will make this process seamless. On the login page, you'll find two fields. The first field is where you will enter your user ID. Make sure you enter it correctly. It's essential to double check for any typographical errors that might prevent you from logging in. If you're unsure what your user ID is, it's usually the email you used when signing up or a unique identifier provided by Progressive. Once you've correctly input your user ID, move on to the next field, which is where you'll enter your password. Just like with the user ID, ensure this is typed in accurately as well, since both fields are case sensitive. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. There should be a forgot password link near the password field that will guide you through recovering or resetting it. At this point, with both your user ID and your password entered correctly, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click on the blue login button directly beneath the password field. By clicking this, you should be taken directly to your Progressive account dashboard. Here, you can view your policy information, make payments, or perform any other tasks related to your insurance needs. And there you have it, a straightforward method to access your Progressive Insurance account online. Whether you need to manage your policy, view documents, or access customer service, this login process is your gateway to a wealth of resources at your fingertips. Remember, if you encounter any issues with logging in, Progressive's customer support is just a phone call away, ready to assist. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to manage your coverage with ease.